Today, let's talk about factors driving the equity markets. We call them market drivers. These are four market drivers: economic cycles, liquidity, valuation, and triggers. Let's talk about the most important factor, the economic cycle, which drives the equity market over the long-term period. The economic cycle in India is measured by the GDP. We often use the nominal GDP to measure the economic cycle of India. So, what is nominal GDP? Nominal GDP is real GDP plus inflation. So, let us take you to the nominal GDP of the last 2.5 decades and its correlation with markets. The decade from 2001 to 2010 had a high nominal GDP of about 15 to 16% annually, and this same period saw the Nifty 50 also giving similar returns close to the nominal GDP, which was compounded annual growth rate of about 15-16% during this period. The decade after 2010, which is 2011 to 2020, saw this nominal GDP moderating to about 11-12%, and the nominal GDP was closely tracked by the Nifty 50, which also gave similar returns of 11 to 12% over this 10-year period. So in the current decade, which is 2021 to 2030, the expected nominal GDP is going to be around 11 to 13%. So this is the growth rate that we expect the Nifty to give over these 10 years. It is the nominal GDP which translates into corporate earnings. Phases of high nominal GDP growth are phases of high corporate earnings, and vice versa. The story of the last 2.5 decades is a structural growth story, and this story only continues. We can expect that in the decades to come, we will still continue to grow at this number of 11 to 15% annual growth rate over a decade. The structural growth story of India is hinged around the young population of the country, which is educated and aspirational. This aspirational population will continue to drive growth in India, and that is what the equity markets will capture. Hence, the most important driver of the equity markets in the long term is cycles. To capture these cycles, invest in diversified equity mutual funds. For more insights into equity mutual fund investing, reach out to us at Invest.